This is a quick review for this Best Choice Products Artificial Christmas Tree. This is the pine version. You can get a close-up look at it here. These are like more of a pine needle tree than it is any other kind of type of tree. It's got this heavy snow on it, so this is like the full snow version of it. This is the 7.5-foot version of it. There's like 9 foot, 6 foot, 4, and I think even something smaller maybe, and then like a 12-foot version as well. It's pre-lit, so it has enough LEDs to cover the whole tree. But the LEDs that are on this tree are both multicolor as well as all white or a soft white color. And it's pretty cool to configure because there's a bunch of options, all of which are controlled by this button here on the bottom of the tree. You just kind of click through the different colors. You can kind of see like the warm light that's kind of making the tree branches glow a little bit. You could switch it to be a multicolor that kind of goes fading in and out. It kind of gets less bright and it kind of twinkles a little bit and then gets brighter. Then there's another version where the multicolor lights are kind of changing into the white lights as well. So it goes from multicolor to yellow, soft white, and then back to multicolor again. Switch it again, there's blinking soft white. Switch it again, there's blinking multicolor. Really cool. And then there's blinking going between multicolor and then soft white. There's a twinkle, which is going between color and white. And then off, all white, and then multicolor all on. So I'm back to where I started with. It's all controlled through this little button switch here. It just kind of rotates through all the different possible scenarios for this tree. Really cool. I haven't totally set up all the branches yet. I kind of just pulled them down to get a look at it. So it'll fill in some of these vacant spots here once I get it fully set up. Great looking tree. If you're looking for something that looks like fully covered in snow,